Hi, Mark here, Monday, July the 14th, going on 9:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 GMT. US session well underway. Wall Street about to open up. And let's have a look how the dollar is performing. US dollar index, our starting point. There you can see green candlestick on the front foot, has tried higher and lower, but certainly for now, US dollar looking to fight back, looking up at resistance at 97.79, and I've got support at 97.44. If I zoom in to the hourly, there you can see over the past 3 hours that the US dollar fighting its way back after being sold off in the European session, and buyers will be looking up here at the 97.79 resistance, an area that sellers will be looking to bounce down off. But for now, US dollar index on the front foot. Let's have a look at the majors. Start with the Euro US. There you can see a series of red candlesticks, lower highs, lower lows, that's selling euro, buying US dollar. And for now, looks like the US dollar is. Let's go to the hourly. And there you can see, after coming up to the roughly the $1.17 area as resistance, selling euro, buying US. US is putting in a run and starting the US session on the front foot, looking down at support at 116.55. Let's have a look at the pound. And again, seeing a continuation of selling pound, buying US dollar, that's US dollar strength, support at 134.52, resistance at $1.3506. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see pretty gentle, sitting in the middle of the range. But the last few hours, we are seeing US dollar trying to fight its way back and looking down at testing the 134.52 support areas. Buyers, of course, will be looking up at the resistance at $1.35. Let's have a look at the US yen. And again, you're seeing US dollar strength. There you see the wick from earlier that could be in the European session that's selling US, buying yen. However, US is now, it bounced up off that support area and looking up at resistance at 147.51, matching the resistance from last Friday. Let's zoom in on the hourly. There you can see hanging around the top of the range resistance, looking to come up and test the 147.51 resistance. Sellers, on the other hand, will be looking to bounce down off this area. And let's have a look at US dollar Canadian. Sitting just underneath that $1.37 level, 136.95, unable to maintain above this 137. We've seen that over the past few days, almost the past week. Again, buyers will be looking to test this resistance at $1.37. Sellers will be looking to bounce down off this area. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see that's selling US, buying Canadian, and a bounce up off the support, buying US, selling Canadian, bounce up off the support area, and buyers will be looking up at this 137 level. Strong US dollar, or US, or should I say, sold off a little bit during the early Asian European session, but US dollar certainly fighting its way back on the majors now. So I will keep you posted. Let's watch our support resistance areas through the US session and see if US dollar strength can, if US dollar can rebound, and if we can see US dollar strength through the session. Good trading.